Welcome to Blessed Hands by Lillian. This is Lillian, and today I'm going to be doing two barbecue baskets. So let's get started. I've already put the paper inside, and I've already put the tissue paper over top of this one, and I have a white one beside me when I finish that one, and I've already done the same to that one. So now I'm just going to fill it with the items that I decided to use. And the first one is one of the hand towels that says grill, eat, chill, and repeat. And this set is red and white. And the next one that you'll see, that one is blue and white. And this one is the mitt. And I put skewers on the back of it to help it stand up. And I'm going to stick it in the back because I want it to stand. I want it to be seen. Then I have the one for mustard, one for ketchup. The one for the ketchup says grill, eat, chill, and repeat, the same as the red and white concept. And the mustard one says cold drinks, good eats, and barbecue. And I'm going to sit each one of these on each side and kind of tilt it to the side. Then I have the two pot holders, and they say the same: grill, eat, chill, and repeat. And I'm gonna sit them here. I have two washcloths that I wrapped with black tissue because everything is red, black, and white. So I was kind of just wanting to put like two little washcloths on the sides of there. And I have a set of tongs that I want to put in the back and let it hang down. And I have a 3-in-1, which is the scraper, a cleaning brush basically for the grill. It's kind of long and tall, and I'm going to see if that works, sitting that in the back as well, because that's the tallest, so I might have to angle it to get it to sit. To stand up. So let me turn it around for a minute and see the best way to sit it. I'll just sit it up and sit it behind. And I'll do the same to the tongs to kind of give it the same support. And that's basically how I set it up in the back. Then I'll come back around to the front and put my ketchup one here, but I want you to be able to see what the ketchup one says because it says the same thing as everything else. The grill, eat. Well, I want to take these out first because I also have some Grill Mates extra coarse seasoning or Max's extra coarse seasoning and Max's all-purpose seasoning. One is a base and one is a build up. And I'm going to sit them here. And the third one that I have, it's by Colonna. It's gourmet beer can chicken seasoning rub and I'm putting that for the grill as well. And since I only have one, I'll try to stand this part up. I want all of them to be able to see the grill, the words grill. So I can see grill here, I can see grill here, I can see grill there, and you can look here and see what the grill says. And then I'll sit these right here on the side. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted it to be simple with just some items that you could use for your grill, that he could use for the grill. And pretty much that's it for the red one. Now give me a second and I'll switch it out so I can work on the white one, the blue and white one. Okay, now I have the blue and white, and that one says cold drinks, good eats, and barbecue. And I'm going to do the exact same concept that I did with that one. So I've already put my base down the back there to keep it so it'll stand up and stand still. I have my 2 oven mitts. I have my ketchup and my mustard, and this time I'm going to put the ketchup on this side and let it be behind, but I want this one to show so that you can see the words that one goes with the other one. Okay, like that one, you can see that the cold drinks, and that one does the same. Then I have the same Max's all-purpose seasoning, Max's extra coarse seasoning, and I'm going to put both of them the same way I just did the other one. And this time this one has Kingsford Cajun style all-purpose seasoning, and it's spicy Louisiana classic for that one. So I'll sit that one here in the front. And then I have my set of tongs again, and my 3-in-1 cleaning brush, and I'll turn it around and put them in the back on each side. Just slip them into position. Then turn it back around, and I also have my some little blue washcloths that I am also putting inside of here. And that's the finished concept of that one. And I have bags that I bought from Michael's that are medium size, and the baskets, the containers fit inside of here, and I just have to fix the inside, or the outside rather. Okay. Yep, This one is kind of tall, so I have to take advantage of all that's here on this one because of the scraper being so tall. So I kind of have to wrap around this scraper because that's the tallest piece, and I don't have any taller than this one. Then I tape up the sides so it can be a little more squared away on the side. And I will do the same thing on the other one. And now all I have left to do is to get me a bow. And put on here, and that is finished. Okay. Now turn it around so you can see it. And I just now have to put a bow on this one, and then put a bow in a bag, put the other one in a bag and put a bow on that one, and it's all done. So I'm going to stop here and go ahead and finish up that one, and then I'll go on to the next video of another concept. But this is my grill concept. I know there are others, a lot of other different ones, but this is how I chose to do the grill one. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. Like the video, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. And if you're one of my subscribers and you're watching, thank you so much for sticking with me. Bye. Have a good evening.